These tile magnets are a great way to put your leftover rhinestone drills to use from your diamond art projects. They're easy to make, no pattern necessary, so let me show you how. For this project, you'll need small square tile of any type, as long as they're smooth on the top. You could even use thick pieces of cardboard or plastic, paper, glossy Mod Podge, a paintbrush, ruler, scissors, double stick tape, a pencil, your leftover rhinestone drills, your diamond art pen and glue, strong magnets, and a heavy glue such as E6000. The first step, no matter what kind of material you're using for a base, is to find the center of your square. So since my tiles are clear, I'm just going to trace it on a piece of paper and use a ruler to find the center point. If your base is not clear, then you can find the center point right on the tile and mark it directly. You might have to use a permanent marker for that. Put a layer of double stick tape onto your tile. Trim the edges the best you can. You don't want any overhang. This can be tricky. A sharp pair of scissors can do it, or you may have to use an X-Acto knife if it's not working out. Stick your pen into the glue and get ready to start adding the drills to your tile. Start the design with your center point. This is very important no matter what kind of design that you're doing, since we don't have a pattern. Stick the tile down with a piece of the double stick tape so that your tile won't move as you're working. Start adding your drills to make the pattern that you want. There's many different ways to do this as long as you have your center point. I'm going to start with the outside edges for this design. Unless you're doing a random design, it's important to work one part of the pattern at a time. Don't worry if things don't fit exactly how you imagined. It's okay if there's tiny gaps between the drills. For this tile, I'm going to start in the middle, and then I'm going to do a round pattern working out from the middle. When you're finished with your design, spread a thick layer of Mod Podge over the top. This is really important because your double stick tape is not as sticky as the diamond art bases. So the Mod Podge is actually going to help hold all of your drills in place. Once the Mod Podge is dry, you can remove it from the double stick tape. Since my base tile is clear, I'm going to make a paper back so that I can't see the magnet through the small spaces between the drills. So I'm just going to cut a small piece of white paper, and then I'm going to use a layer of Mod Podge on the paper and then stick it to the back of my tile. Once that has dried, I'm going to use a strong glue such as E6000 to attach the magnet to my tile. Once again, we need to let it dry, and then you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.